Welcome to the practical series of Class 10 SSC Board. You will get the practical sheet like this in your board exam. For this practical, you will get 6 marks. You will not get any marks for aim and apparatus. You will get 0 marks. For diagram, you will get 2 marks. 1 mark for drawing the diagram and 1 mark for correct labeling. Okay. For correct labeling, you will get 1 mark. For observation table, you will get 2 marks. For writing any 4 blanks, you will get 2 marks. Half mark for this, half mark for this, half mark for this, and half mark for this. For conclusion, you will get 2 marks. For writing any 2 points, you will get 2 marks. Write the answers given in the above sheet on your board answer paper. How to perform the practical. You will get the links of the full videos in the description and comment box. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.